Okay, guys, so I'm done uploading all the details that are required for the listing of the app on the Play Store. So the app name, the short description, the full description, then the graphics, the app icon, the feature graphics, the video, and the splash, how the screenshots of the app. Okay, so I'm done with all this now. The next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead and click the save button. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, changes save. Send for review in publishing overview. Okay, so now, like I said, all these things are done now. I will now go to where I can send this particular app. So it's a ready for review. Okay, so I can now go to where I'm going to send it for review. Then once that is done, wait for Google to review the app and make it go live. Okay, so now let's go back to the dashboard. Then we scroll down to here, create and publish a release. Okay, so now create a new release. Now this is where we're going to be asked for the .aab file. Okay, so these are the tags. Start from here down here. So first we select the country and region that we want our app to be published to. Okay, I think there's a little issue here. So let me refresh the page. Could it be network? Okay, yeah, network. So the network has disconnected. That's the reason why that's happening. So let's go ahead and connect the network back. Okay, so network is connected. So let's go ahead and create a release. Okay, so add countries and region. So just select all the countries here, then save. Okay, so let's go back to the release dashboard to create a new release. Okay, so he said your app signing key choice will be fixed once you publish to an open track. So now get integrity protection, choose signing key. So to upload a bundle, you must provide a signing key or generate one using Play App signing. Okay. So now this is where I'm going to drag the ABB file and drop, then put the release name. So release name could be initial release. So okay, so that's just a release note for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the ABB file, then drag it here.